to stop videos on the Play Store from automatically playing on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable auto play videos feature on the Play Store. To do so, open Play Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, and then select Setting, tap Network Preferences, tap Auto Play Videos, and then select Don't Auto Play Videos. Tap OK button to save the change. By choosing the setting, Auto Play Videos feature on the Play Store will be disabled, so that when you open an app or game with video preview, the video will not be played automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.